Okay, cold start, Landmark 1846. It's been sitting on the booster pack for a couple minutes. It will crank. I don't know if it's going to start though. The choke is stuck. I was able to get a little bit, but I don't know if it's anywhere near enough. Gotta get some persuasion. Okay, the engine definitely smoothed out. I had to put the camera down. It was definitely a two-hand job to get this machine running. The gearbox is definitely gone. Reverse works perfectly fine, but forward you gotta hold it in and it jumps out pretty much immediately. I have a video coming up that's called Name That Sound and Name That Sound. But reverse is perfect. Forward is obviously, like I said, shot. The engine has smoothed out. Let's see if that battery took any charge. Nope. Battery did not take a thing. Most likely it's going to be pooched. But it's back here. This is where it's going to sit. So if I want, what I can do is boost it and drive it in reverse to the garage to pull the engine when I figure out if it's going in the Crosman or not. But Landmark, here's where it's going to sit for now. I'll talk to them later. Please give it a like always, and please try and comment.